Guys, on the way to PPNL, I see a Fry's Electronics. I'm gonna stop by this store real quick and see what they have and compare the drones to the ones they have in Best Buy and see what happens now. Hi. Hi, can you do with the drones, right?
Drones?
Uh-huh.
What kind of drones are we looking with?
That goes 4 miles, professional ones, the big ones, drones. Uh-huh. They didn't have a drone in stock, so they showed me one in the computer similar, was for $1,400. Look at this. Best Buy didn't have it. Fry's had it for $19.99. I'm taking it with me. Anyway. Okay, here we are at PPNL. I told the lady when I came in that I've been here already, if I need to fill out this form again, because I really just wanted this price list. She said no, I had to fill out the form all over again. So anyway, I'm here. Really want. Now this one's here at Foster by Forest River, M12. M12, this one would be 66,000. Was a 2018. But let's look inside. Okay. It's nice. A 32 footer. How come it says 2014 Foster? M1212, and the paper here has a 2018. That's interesting, but 70,000, that's way too much for something like this. Okay. Nice. And that's what I'm looking for in the back. Has the bunk beds. It's nice. A TV, and it seems like it has a stereo system. And I like the fact that it has a bed in the back with windows. It's kind of tight. I guess I don't understand this part right here. Waste of space to me as far as the bottom part. It's a little tight. I know they have the restroom in here. The shower. Good size.
Hang on, I want to look at this one real quick. Hey, come here and look.
Coming out. That's all right. Come on, I'm going out. That's okay. I'm looking. Just looking. It's all right.
I had no idea there was somebody in there.
No, it's okay. For 69, but I don't understand because the paper says it's 2018, but right there it says 2014.
Yeah.
So I don't know what.
Well, come look at this kitchen though.
It's nice. Now 178. 178 for 1995. The 27 foot 2005 for 20,000. One thing about these windows as outside they say they leak all the time. That's 20,000. That's like nice price. Look at this. This is the year 2005. It's nice. And look, this is what I like about this. The bed. Okay, maybe here it says 2005, which that's what it says, 2005. Double sink, 3 burner, nice refrigerator, and like queen size bed. And it's more spacious than the other one. You got more space. The only thing is making the bed all the way in the back. Plenty of counter space. See the shower. Oh, they have this restaurant locked. This one's really nice for.
I don't mean to be.
No, that's fine, that's fine. I'm just looking too, but I'm videotaping. This one's for 20,000.
Yeah, no,
It's a little too old for you?
Yes.
Well, to me, it's cosmetic. I mean, it's mainly the engine, the miles.
Yeah.
Because the inside, I'm going to redo the inside anyway.
Oh, okay.
Pretty sure.
I don't have time to be reading.
That one's nice. I like this one. The price what sold me. 32. Look at this one. 32. This is 32 for 2009. 32.9. Oh, this is a 32 footer. It's too big. How about 140? Is a 26 footer. 67. Now it's gonna be a, and it's a 18, but it's pretty big. This one here looks, 120 looks really nice. 120, that's 80,000. 173, 71,000. If I'm gonna pay 70,000, I'm gonna go to a showroom and get one from there. Not from the ones that have been out here. I don't know, not telling how long. Oh, look at this one, 220. 220, 31,000. This one is a 2008. 31,000. Oh. Let's see inside. Okay. I think the step's supposed to come out, but they haven't turned off or something. It's a little tight in here. Oh, they got an extra bed up here, which is nice. With a TV. And this is, I don't know. You tell me about this. Goes all the way around. But I think the sides are in. That's why it looks tight in here. But it has a pretty good the back. It's a nice setup. 31,000. I don't know. Decisions to decisions. Now this one's really nice. I mean, I like the look. 173, but that's expensive. I think I saw this one already. Oh, 71,000 now. See, this one is nice. I think this is a good size. It is number 154 for 50,000. What year? Let me see. The year 2015. Okay, I like the year. 50,000. I think yeah, brand new. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Opens from the back. I'm not gonna get in there. It's nice. Spacious. I'm surprised. 50,000. I didn't get brand new one. See, that one looks nice. Well, 203. 203. This is a 2012 Concorde with sides. 61,000. Okay, this one here. 206. It's a 28 foot. 2013. 57,000. Wow. Now these people, I guess, 147. It's a 2011, a 29 footer, 47.9. Okay, now this one's nice. Oh, that's a nice one right here. It's Class B. These are Class B plus. It's a 185. This one here is Adventurous 2013 22 footer for 81,000. Okay, keep on looking. And this is that Mercedes engine, I believe, 176. It's a 24-footer 2014 Interstate, 88,000. Lucky I've been looking at this YouTube because no, I don't think I'm paying. Like I come in 195. No, 2014 Road Trek 23-footer for $99,995. It was nice, but if I'm gonna spend that kind of money, I'm gonna buy me a brand new one. Let me look at this 167. Is a 28-footer 2008 Conquest Yellowstone Cruise with sides, 40,000. The 2008, 40,008. Man, let's see. Okay, see that's already broken on there. It's out. Okay. It's nice when you see something that's expensive and it's not what you want. But you see that the bed has two sides, so you can make the bed up, no problem. But 20,000. I'll go for 20,000. 2008. It's 2018 right now. Wow. 40. These people. I'm in the wrong business. Okay. This is 108. Number 108. Let's see how much. 108. This is a 32-footer. It's too big. I'm never gonna look at that one. It's number 133. It's a 22-footer 2015 Sportsmobile. 66,000. Of course, people rather buy these. They're more easier to drive around. But I'm not gonna pay that kind of money for a used one. 151. It's a 2016 32-footer, 67,000. And I think that's all the Class C's and the Class B Plus. This is what they have. The price is, I just saw one that's $20,000, which was, I think, something I can work with. Cosmetic wise, I'll have to see the miles on it. But again, it'll be sold by the time I'm ready to buy one. And it's mainly the engine, the miles, and of course I have to look for leaks. Which is this one here for $20,000. It's small, a Fleetwood 450 Super Duty. It's just that window up there. Everybody's saying that those leak all the time, so I don't think I want one with a window or up front. But anyway, this is what they have. But I'm not gonna pay that kind of money for a used one. 151. It's a 2016 32-footer, 67,000. And I think that's all the Class C's and the Class B Plus that have it here. All they have, all the other ones are either fifth wheelers or Class A's, and that's not what I am in. The price is, I just saw one that's $20,000, which was, I think, something I can work with. Cosmetic wise, I'll have to see the miles on it. But again, it'll be sold by the time I'm ready to buy one. And it's mainly the engine, the miles, and of course I have to look for leaks. Which is this one here for $20,000. It's small, a Fleetwood 450 Super Duty. It's just that window up there. Everybody's saying that those leak all the time. So I don't think I want one with a window or up front. But anyway, this is what they have. All these Class A's. Now I'm gonna head to the house and see how I can download this video and put it on YouTube so y'all can see it. Until then, I will see you later. Bye bye.